Hey guys, it's me, Takeria, and
Maya. Hey y'all.
And Kenneth, the baby Kenneth. So today we're going to be doing a challenge where we're going to eat some of these cough drops that are disgusting. We're going to see who
Can eat these without making a frown, like making all these horrible faces.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get right into the video.
Okay, so guys, they didn't even work, but anyways, let's go ahead and open the candy.
Okay, mine's already open, y'all. So.
Mine's already open.
Mine is too. This is how it was shaped.
Yeah, it's shaped like that.
Okay, so they're like an oval and they're like really, really nasty.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay,
they're burgundy. Oh yeah, and then they're filled with like this jelly thingy that's on the inside, and it's disgusting. So let's go.
You said go.
Remember, no frowny faces, and the whole thing has to be gone.
Oh, we can't even smell. It looks like we're taking a picture.
You like just it's rolling. Or not. She's smelling.
I'm trying not to make any faces.
We're gonna tell you guys when we can bite it, cause that's what it's gonna be.
It's pretty hard right now.
Yeah.
It's real sweet whenever you first start eating it, but then it gets like really nasty.
It's getting nasty. Kind of tastes like
I can bite mine.
It kind of tastes like an old toothpaste.
I can bite mine now.
Okay.
I've had worse than a cough drop.
Huh?
Try don't let him fall off.
What? And my knee right here. What is wrong?
She over here making the baby cry. Oh, she's smiling. Y'all see it, I ain't made no faces.
Me either.
You did smile once. Yeah, we can smile, but we gotta
I
smile.
didn't make
But we gotta
no
smell
face.
like this. But we gotta smell like this. Cause sometimes
No teeth can be showing.
Yeah.
Like, none of this.
I'm done.
You bit it.
No.
Open your mouth so the camera can see your mouth. Okay, she's done, so get out the video.
She's out.
Okay, so it's just up to me and Ty.
Mine ready to be bitten, so I'm about to bite mine.
Y'all heard that crack. It is not good.
Deuces.
Ty. Ty. Ty.
Can I try another?
Oh, yeah. I can't. Oh.
Hold on, guys.
Okay, I gotta spit this out, y'all.
She quit. I look like me, and Ayana won. So,
So comment down below if you want to see more videos. And this is the baby.
so hold on.
So comment down below if you want. Hold on.
So,
We're gonna be asking you questions. Who you think?
comment down below.
Who you think
Won?
Won.
I'm back.
And who you think kept it in your mouth the longest and didn't
and-
spit it out like Dylan did?
Hey, y'all, that was nasty. Like, don't try this. Don't try
But please don't try to sit
And I'm
home.
gonna show you the brand of these nasty
They probably
cough drops. They're called ricola.
is
The pack is torn, but as you can see, they are
Yeah,
ricolas.
okay.
They're very nasty, so do not buy these for your sick child. Are you grown folks? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
And make sure
You comment down below.
Make sure you like and
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
And make sure you like.
and
Hold on. Make sure you give a big old like and subscribe
And
to this
comment-
video.
and
Comment down below who
somewhere
you
around
think who won, and
I got a tub.
I know. And who you think won, and who you think kept it in their mouth the longest and didn't spit it out like that one did.
Like me.
So thanks for watching.
Bye.